Okay, this is going to be my first long format video. I bought this Classic Lover 250 GTO. I bought this as a damaged piece. So one of the straps is gone. So I bought knowing this because of the exceptional delivery by DTDC. It has more damages now. So these parts are very small and delicate. First seeing the brown in the packages, I thought that was the leather, but I think it's hiding somewhere here. It's gone now. We will find it. I thought I saw it here. Let's open it. Let's unbox this and see the extent of damage. Here we found the first piece. It looks like the missing leather strap. Leave it there. Okay, let's open it. Take the next one. Okay, it's running. It's highly charged. Yep, static charged. It's supposed to be one of the wheel stoppers, the wheel knobs. Place it here. Okay, here. And one is actually captured by the tape. This is a wheel that has the end cap. One it doesn't have. Let's look at the other side, and as expected, one is gone from here. The other side, thankfully, it is captured by the tape here. So let's take it from here. So that's it. That's the extent of the damage. And I got this 1 out of 999. So these are all marketing gimmicks. So, but still, one feels nice. Anyway, very highly detailed, very neat. There are many tiny parts here. Here's the silencers. These are photo etched small pieces. Let's unscrew it. So I have to be very careful because there are many tiny parts here. Not using the gloves because the gloves will capture. Let me unscrew it carefully. Underneath, very detailed. Wheels rolled, very tiny bit, squished. The bond is really ready to open up. Oh, it was ready to open up when the camera, it was off screen. Now it's not. Using the gloves to grab this is a bad idea, but I'm using it for contrast. I'm beginning to forget the QC issues because this model is exceptionally good. The rest of it is highly detailed. So out of the 20 or 30 minute details, I lost 2 as damages. Right here, I lost 3. Yeah. Apart from that, really good. Yep. Motorized wheels are good as the wheel sharper. The blue seats, seat belts, steering, gear knobs, amazing. The fuel cap, tail lamps, exhaust, the fuel tank, transmission, Ferrari branding, the leather straps, indicators, the lensed, beautifully lensed headlamps. It's good. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ah, yes. Oh, so ready. That's beautiful. All the tiny details. Tried to fix some of these QC issues we faced. Oh, thank God. I could barely see it. And it should be working with magnifying lenses for this. So drop here. Or drop. It pasted, man. So that they don't decide to stick shut the bonnet. So let's see how this looks after we fixed everything. So more than a scale modeler, I just bought this. Felt like a hobby project just because I pasted 3 of them. Anyway, it feels much up close and personal. And usually I collect my cards, but not this time. Thanks for watching.